my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you something a little different. It is going to be all about how I make money on YouTube. So I can't tell you the number of questions that I get saying, Amber, how do you make money on YouTube? It's a little confusing. I didn't even know you could make money on YouTube. And I'll tell you, when I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't really know or realize that you could make money either. So I thought that I would break it down, do a video for you guys in case you guys out there are starting a channel and you were curious, well, how can I potentially turn my little side gig into something where I'm making a little more money? Now, as you guys know, I do have a full-time job, Monday through Friday, 40 hours a week. So YouTube is a hobby of mine. Honestly, I would do it even if I wasn't getting a little bit of money because I'm really not making that much money, but it is a little bit of a supplemental income. And basically what I do, I think I mentioned this a little bit in my How I Afford Luxury video. Everything that I make from YouTube is invested back in my channel, whether that be for a camera or a microphone or a handbag that I do reviews on. I try to kind of work my business that way and say, you know what, Amber, if you don't have enough money saved up from YouTube, then you can't buy XYZ. And everything I make from my other job is like savings and bills, and I try to kind of set it up that way. So I first want to encourage you guys, if you have been wanting to start a YouTube channel, definitely do it. I've been on YouTube for a couple of years. I don't have a huge following, but I absolutely love it. And there is no perfect time to start. I started my channel with like makeup tutorials. I was using my iPhone, and right now I have a Canon camera, but it's not like a super expensive camera. So I would just say there's no better time than now. Don't be nervous about it. Just be yourself. And if you truly love it, then people will subscribe to your channel. And I will be honest though, it is a lot of work. A lot of people think that people who film YouTube videos, you know, it's not that much work. Oh, you film a video, you put it out there just like that, easy peasy. So much goes into it, so much behind the scenes people don't realize. So I just wanted to kind of give a little brief background there of my history. So again, this is just a little side gig for me, and I thought I would share with you 4 ways that I make money from YouTube. And like I said, I don't make a ton of money. However, these are 4 ways that I have found very useful, and I'm going to give you guys all of the tea today. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to hear how I make some moolah on YouTube, then keep watching. Okay guys, so as I stated, there are 4 ways or 4 different things that I do to make money on YouTube. Now there could be other ways as well, but these are the 4 main ways that I do it. The first thing is called Google Adsense. So if you're a YouTuber, you have the ability to monetize your videos, and those are all the ads that you see playing before, during, and after videos. Now, not anyone can choose to monetize their YouTube channel. I think in order to be eligible as of today, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers combined with 4,000 hours of watch time for the past 2 months. So those are the new stipulations. Now, I actually got kind of lucky because when I first started out, I didn't have that many subscribers, but I was able to monetize my channel. They didn't have the restrictions that they do now. However, the amount you make on Google AdSense is definitely going to depend on your watch time. You know, it's not like I can just kind of like give you a number, this is how much you're going to make. But those are the stipulations in order to monetize your channel. So once you are able to monetize it, basically what you do, you upload a video and there's a little button that says monetization, and you can click on yes, and that means that they will play ads before, during, or at the end of your video, and you can kind of choose where you want the ads to play. And if someone clicks on the ads, then you get a certain amount of kickback from that. So for me, for Google AdSense, I am paid once a month, and it goes directly to my bank account, and every single month varies. Like, I have never had a month where it's the same thing. If I have a month where I have like a ton of views, I'll make a lot more. But if I have a month where I don't really have as many views, I don't really make that much. So that is one piece. So like I said, it goes directly to my bank account, and then you know what I do? I take that money and I immediately transfer it over to my YouTube savings. So that is the first way. It's Google AdSense. And like I said, it is going to vary depending on the influencer. You might have some influencers that might not have that many subscribers subscribers, but they're getting tons of views. And if they're getting tons of views, then that, they're going to make a lot more in Google AdSense. Then you could have someone who has a ton of subscribers, but really isn't getting that many views, and they might not get as much Google AdSense. So a lot of it depends on the number of views. That's why so many people are like, make sure to watch, make sure to share the video, because viewing is so important on videos. So that is the first way that I make money on YouTube. Okay, the second way that I make money on YouTube is by affiliate marketing. Now, if you're anything like me, I was so confused by affiliate marketing, and I did so much research. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, for YouTube, so much research requires it, like for the camera or the microphone or like affiliate links or monetization. Like there's so much that goes into it that people don't realize. So affiliate networking, basically what that is YouTubers have the ability, like let's say I talk about this dress, right? I would provide a link below, and if someone clicks on the link below, I might get a small portion of that. So I want to break down two types of affiliate networking, like two of kind of the most popular, because it can be confusing. The first is Shopstyle Collective. So Shopstyle Collective is a great tool for beginners or someone that might not have a big following, but they want to kind of get their feet wet a little bit. So what this does is with Shopstyle Collective is you basically go to the website, and I could link this dress. Now, I'm not going to get paid if anybody buys the dress, but I will get paid based on the number of clicks. So that one is based off of the number of clicks rather than sales. So that's Shopstyle Collective. That one in particular is free to join, and you basically get about 5 cents per click on the link. So like I said, it's a very, very good starter affiliate networking. And like I said, you can go to the Shopstyle Collective website, and it's free to join. Anyone can join. You just have to fill out a form. Okay, the second affiliate networking that I want to mention is Rewardstyle, and this is the one that a lot of the bloggers use, and it's connected to Like to Know It. So it can be a little confusing, but Rewardstyle is more so the type of link that if you were to click on this link and you buy this dress, I would get a percentage, and the percentage varies anywhere from like 5 to 20% depending on the retailer. So basically, you go to Rewardstyle, there are a big list of companies, so Macy's, Sephora, those, and you basically will link the product through Rewardstyle, and you would put the link in the description. Like I said, if someone clicks on that link and buys something, you will then get a percentage. Now, Rewardstyle is a little different in the sense where you have to have a little bit more of a following. You have to be a little more established. You have to actually be accepted into that program. I remember when I was accepted, I was so incredibly excited about it, because then I knew that I could like link outfit details and stuff like that. And the way I look at it, like if you're gonna share things that you love already, it's very nice to be able to get some sort of like a little bit of like a kickback from it as well. So Rewardstyle is what a lot of the popular bloggers use, and that is attached to the Like to Know It app. So anytime you go to the Like to Know It app, and if you click on any of those outfits, like let's say you see a pair of pants someone's using and you're on the Like to Know It app and you click through and you buy the pants, that particular influencer that you click through is going to make a commission of 5 to 20% depending on the retailer. So it's really, really great. So again, Shopstyle Collective is one. You're paid, based off of clicks. Rewardstyle is one that is free as well, but you have to be accepted into the program, and that is based off of sales. Now, those are two. There are a ton more. Magic Links is another one. Share a Sale is another one, but these are just the two major ones that I wanted to just touch on. So affiliate networking is the second way. Another thing I do want to mention about Rewardstyle, another thing that you can do through Rewardstyle if you're accepted, is you can do brand partnerships. Now, I have yet to do that through Rewardstyle, but that is also another option. So definitely look into those. It's a great way to make a little bit of money. And again, with those, I get paid once a month. And just like with Google AdSense, I take that amount and I transfer it to my YouTube savings. Okay, the third way that I make money on YouTube is through sponsored videos. Now, I want to offer a word of caution. If you are a YouTuber, do not just accept any sponsorship. Like, I am not a huge channel. I'm a very small channel, but I do have people reaching out to me, and I'm kind of like, I'm really choosy with who I choose to work with, and I will share with you some of the people I have worked with. But basically what this means for video sponsorship is a brand will pay you for a 2-minute mention, or they might pay you to do a dedicated video. You know, your rate, you can establish your own rate, and that will vary depending on what you will do. Now, some brands are a little more stringent than others. I don't typically like to work with brands that make you say certain things. Like, I'm the type of person that I want my subscribers to trust me. So if I'm going to work with a brand, I have to really like them, and I will give you examples of that as well. So I would just offer caution not to just take any sponsorship, because your subscribers will start to realize that, and they'll be like, they won't really trust your judgment, because they'll say you're only saying that because it's sponsored. But of course, if you want to make money off of YouTube, subscribers have to understand that occasionally you're going to take sponsorships, especially if it's a brand that you like. So I want to mention 3 sponsorships that I have done, and I'm sure you guys are aware. The one that I've done is Rose Forever. You guys know how much I love the Rose Forever roses. I have like so many different kinds. I'm just a flower person, and when they reached out to me, I was like super excited. You know, I always mention them in like gift guide videos, but I truly love them. That's one that I've worked with. Another is Ana Luisa that I've worked with. You guys know that I love their layered necklaces. I think I actually had it on in my recent video where I did my Chanel Dream Bag unboxing. By the way, if you haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out. And then another brand sponsorship that I've done, just kind of thinking about out of the blue, is Shoptagger. Now, Shoptagger is actually what helped me to get that little Escal mini pochette, because I had that on my list, and it notified me when it went on sale on Fashion File. So it's a really helpful tool, and I broke it down a little bit in that video. But those are just 3 brands that I can think of. I've collaborated with a couple other brands as well, but those are 3 sponsorships that I have done in the past. Some of them are kind of different. Like, most of them will pay you upon completion. There are also some that you can negotiate where you get paid half when the video is done, and then half when the video is published. But again, the amount that you get paid is going to differ depending on your view count, depending on your subscribers. So that's where YouTube can be a little tricky, because there's no like one set number. You can probably look up like guides on how much you can make, but it really does differ. Like, my payment will be different from someone else. It's just very, it depends on what you can negotiate with the brand. But one thing, don't ever let brands take advantage of you. Like I said, I'm not going to work with a brand if they want me to say something that I don't feel comfortable saying, or something that I don't feel is accurate. I really won't. So I only like to accept sponsorships of brands I really like. So anyway, so the third way are sponsored videos, and it's basically you can either reach out to a brand and want to work with them, but I like to wait for brands to reach out to me, because if they reach out to me, it makes me think they really want to work with me, and you always want to work with someone that you feel wants to work with you. So yeah, so as soon as I get paid, what do I do with that? I transfer it to my YouTube savings. So this is another source of income that goes into my YouTube savings. So now I want to talk about the 4th way that I make money on YouTube, and this is going to be through affiliate codes. Now, keep in mind, not every code you see is going to be an affiliate code. Sometimes companies will give you an affiliate code, but you're not going to not necessarily make any money. It's just going to be something that they offer you for your subscribers. An example of this would be the Zoomoni organizers. You know, they've sent me some organizers before, and I love them, and they were kind enough to offer you guys a code. So I do have a code for Zoomoni, but I don't make any money off of it. So you guys can use it to save 20%, but I don't, get a kickback. For it. But the way a lot of times affiliate codes do work is, if I recommend a product and I say, oh, I have a code for this, it's kind of a win-win situation, because not only will you guys get a discount, but I will also make a small percentage, whether it be 5%, 10%, you name it, and I will be upfront with you. 2 companies that I have worked with, again, Rose Forever, my code was Amber25, where you guys would get $25 off. So that is huge. and then I would make a small commission from every sale. And then another one is Teddy Blake handbags. You know that I've done a couple videos with Teddy Blake as well, and I think I have a code, it's TB Amber 30, where you would save $30 off and I would get a small kickback. Again, these aren't like huge, but it's a good way for, it's like I said, it's a win-win situation. You guys can feel like you're getting something, and then because I recommended it to you guys, I kind of get a kickback too. And that's what a lot of these bloggers and YouTubers do. Like, you know, they're influencers. If you guys are influenced by them, I feel like it's only fair. Like, I'll give you an example, right? There are a lot of big like fashion bloggers I follow. Whitney Rife is one of them, right? Like, I love her style. She has such beautiful style. So if she recommends a dress and I see a dress on her and I'm like, oh my gosh, that is so beautiful, I try to make sure that if I'm going to buy that dress, I go through her link, because she's the one that recommended it to me, and I feel like she's putting in the hard work to share that with me, so I want to support her back. And I actually, I'll put a picture up on the screen. This is an example of a dress that she kind of recommended, and so I made sure when I purchased the dress that I purchased through the link, because I wanted her to get a kickback from it. And that's how a lot of the bloggers, you know, make their money. So just know that if you guys use an affiliate link or use a code, you are helping out your favorite blogger or your favorite influencer, and we really do appreciate it so much. So for the affiliate codes, once again, I usually get paid once a month for that, and where does that money go? It goes right into my YouTube savings. So there you have it, guys. Those are 4 ways on YouTube that I specifically make money. I'm sure there are other ways, but these are the 4 ways that I make money. And I kind of, as I stated at the beginning of the video, I kind of use this money as, this is my supplemental income. So this is what I use towards handbags and accessories and all kinds of things. And I try to kind of invest in my channel, because my channel is my little small business. So I hope this video helped you. If you guys have any questions at all, please let me know. I just, like I said, when I first started YouTube, I had to do so much like research, and I just really was wondering, like, well, these people make money on YouTube, like, how do they do that? So I wanted to do a video for you guys, because I have gotten quite a few questions. So I hope this helped. But like I said, YouTube does require a lot of work. It really, really does, because a lot of times if you're watching a YouTuber's channel and they do have the affiliate links, just think that every single video, for like, if they're doing like a makeup tutorial, they have to take the time to like link all of those products. So I do want to give a special thank you to you guys for watching my videos. If you've ever used any of my affiliate codes or anything like that, I appreciate it so much. I hope this video helped. I really, really do. As I stated, it's important to have that little side hustle. It really is. It's so nice to have a little bit of supplemental income so I can support my naughty handbag habit. And I just, honestly, guys, like I said, if I wasn't getting paid, I would continue to do this, because when I first started out on YouTube, I really didn't even realize you could make money. I just do it because I love it. I love this community. I love that we share so many similar interests. So yeah, so there you go. I hope this helped. Let me know down below if you have any questions. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. And make sure to check out some of my other videos. If you want to know on how I afford luxury, make sure to check that video out. And then I also did a recent handbag unboxing of my holy grail dream bag. I'm so incredibly excited about it. So make sure to check those videos out. I will link them down below. Thanks again for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.